Do you want your credit report to show accurate information so it makes it easy to borrow money at low interest rates, get that job that you dream of, insurance, as well as being able to rent a place, and your report showing great information so you don't get denied? Well, if that is the case, I want you to know that it's important to know what your credit report is showing and make sure that it is accurate. Hello, beautiful people. Lisa Dudley here, and welcome back to the Business Academy. On this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. We're your go-to hub for everything credit, personal credit that is, business credit, and funds to help your business grow and scale. And if this is your first time here, hey, how you doing? And please do not let it be your last. Get your pen and paper to take notes. And welcome to the family, welcome to the family. In today's video, I will give you 6 steps to help you dispute credit report errors so you can win every time. Get that pen and paper ready to take notes. Let's get into it. Step number 1, identify errors. What you need to do is first obtain your credit reports from all 3 of the credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now, I have a link below if you're interested in going to my free score and obtaining your credit report. I use it all the time, and it goes into thorough detail telling me negative, positive, late, all of my trade lines. So that's what you need to do first and foremost. When you obtain your credit report, you need to go through that thing with like a fine-tooth comb and make sure that all of your personal data is up to date. Make sure that the home address, the work address, the employer, the accounts, everything on that report is accurate. You guys, you'll be so surprised how many times people fail to do this. And as a result, when they apply for credit, they get denied because something as small as showing a payment history is not correct, or maybe their name is not spelled correct. So you want to make sure that if there are any errors, that those are the things that we're going to dispute and correct. So identifying those errors by obtaining your credit report, which shows your score as well as your history on all 3 of the credit bureaus. And you can click below to my free score, that's my affiliate link, and you can get it there. Step number 2, gather all information. So once you obtain your credit report and you go through it with a fine-tooth comb, as I say, and you gather your information on errors, what you need to do is collect any evidence that backs up that you can prove that these are errors. So documentation to support this, including receipts, court documents, statements, or any correspondence. Number 3, now it's time to file disputes. Now keep in mind, each credit bureau has its own disputing method, its own processing for disputes. You can file disputes online, by mail, or by phone. Number 4, follow up. Set a tracker. Typically, the bureaus have 30 days to respond. Number 5, review results. Once the investigation is complete, the bureaus will send you in writing the results of that dispute. If your dispute is resolved in your favor, make sure that the corrections are accurate and showing what it actually is. Now, if the dispute is not in your favor, then you may have to reach out to the credit bureau and start the process over. Step number 6, maintain vigilance. What that means is that you need to stay on top of things. Make sure that you subscribe to a credit monitoring service so that you can check your credit score monthly. Or I would say you can check your credit score quarterly. You guys listen, it is important for you to stay on top of your credit. Now, if none of these steps you're willing to go through, you don't have lots of time, what you can do is get on a free strategy call with me and I can make the process easier for you. I have many clients that have testimonies that I've been working with, and we have been very successful in removing derogatory marks. I know it can be a little challenging to start the process, to start going after the credit bureaus, meaning writing letters and attack letters and disputes. That can be a little cumbersome and take up a lot of time. If you're interested in having someone take care of that for you, I am the person. Go ahead and click the link below. We can get on a strategy call to find out if we're on the same page and we can get things rolling. You guys listen, when you win, I win, and we win together. Get your credit ready. Get your credit right. It is so important that not only if you have a great credit score, meaning 700 or higher, that's what I go for, but having a credit profile that shows on time, that shows length of history, that shows no negative remarks, so that you can succeed in getting the house that you want, low interest rate on the mortgage loans, getting credit cards, great credit cards with great interest rates, getting insurance in your car at a low rate, and obtaining the job that you want. Great credit report will make sure that your life is easy. Make it happen.